Hi everybody, Kostas here. If you watched yesterday's video, you will see that I've been currently mentored by Alex from Expert Forex. We are taking 2 months to develop the skills to become financially dependent and create the new lifestyle that I want. A link to this video will be in the description of this current video as well as in the first commentary. Have a look at that to get an idea of what we'll be doing. Spoiler alert, it's going to be awesome. When I met with Alex in Greece earlier, he gave me a list of free Forex trading tools that he wanted me to go through before we got together. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing those 6 free tools that you can also download for free. So let's dive in and check out these free tools. The first one is the School of Philosophy by Baby Pips, and it's one of the best free training tools available. As you can see, there are 372 lessons in the course and it takes a long time to go through. I'm still halfway through this course. The next free Forex Trading training course is a list of simple and easy courses written by Expert Forex in a very simple way, aimed at beginners traders. The modules in this course covers areas such as turning points, exit stops, money management, best times to trade, and the most important elements of Forex trading. The next free resource is the Lock Candle course written by Barry Thornton. Barry Thornton has earned over $1 million a year in the last 18 years and has contributed considerably to Expert Forex in its early years. This course shows you how to catch the long candle, which represents a strong move in the right direction. Think of it as catching a big fish in a trading sea. My main aim is to make money from trading robots, so this will be an excellent video for beginners who want to start trading Forex robots. Robots doing all the work while you sitting down having your coffee? Yes please. Once I have all this knowledge, I need to apply it in trading robots. There are 2 fantastic robots that Expert Forex offers with free trials. As you can see on the screen, the Grid Trader is one of them and the Lucky Trader is another that has 30-day free trial. Using these 6 free resources to get any beginner trader on the right path, and that is exactly what I have been doing and still am on an ongoing basis. Just a reminder that the download links for all these items are in the description of this video as well as in the first commentary. Going through these courses is essential to understand the strategies used by trading robots, and that is why Alex started me off on these courses. I hope you find them useful. From me, Kostas, see you guys.
Just a reminder to join our Expert Forex community of over 30,000 Forex traders. It is free, so don't miss out on any new developments. A link is in the description of the video.